Hey planty peeps, hello and welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Kenisha, also known as Niche, and on this channel we talk, live and love plants. So if that's your thing, please do hit the subscribe button and check out the other videos. If you like this one, I'm sure you'll like the others. So today we're doing another shop with me. So I'm at Ikea. Ikea's opened now, you know, whole COVID, we're getting out of the stages. I'm in London, so England. I know things are kind of different in Scotland and Europe and the US. I hope, you know, things are on the way to a brighter day. Yeah, so I'm at Ikea. I'm looking for my palm. Again, I'll put the full name in below. I might not be speaking much in here, depending if they've got music on in the store, because obviously the whole like PRS business. So depending if I have certain things I want to say, I might do a voiceover or throw in some text, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, see you in a bit. Surprisingly, there's not much of a queue, as you can see. The fence barriers up, but go straight in. Don't you just love Ikea for ideas? Makes me feel like having a little home channel. But we digress. This I really love. Look at that. Oh. Perfect. For those of you that might be looking for greenhouse material, we've got these, which is quite nice. And you've got your little doors that open there, and you've got 1, 2, 3 shelves. This is the Rodstar 99, Fabrico 129. That gives you a little idea. And also you've got this one here, again different colour, 129, and then kind of the same again, but more of a grey black, and more of the transparent ones if you wanted something a little more simple. I don't know how clearly you can see that, but you can see maybe on this one you've got your shelvings, and that is 60, which is the Delta, or Delta, I can't even pronounce it. And then this is the one that I got, Millsbow 179. You can get it in black. So that's one there, just to give you a little idea in regards to greenhouses. So let's go. Just as we're walking through, I saw this and thinking I could use this for my second bedroom, which I want to turn into a kind of an office / studio. So I just take note of that. 65, not too bad actually, and can just use these shelves on one side because I've got a fireplace in the middle and can use that in the alcove, and that would actually hold quite a few, which actually be quite nice. So log that for later. See, I love home things, like just doing stuff at home, but this kitchen is kind of cute. Oh, it's got nice restaurant vibes, but just thought I'd share as I pass. You definitely know spring is here because there are so many faux plants, aka fake, but just thought I'd show you. So let's go with it. Look at this. They're all faux flowers, obviously, but it's really cute. Like, look at this installation. It's very nice. So, yeah, really cute. And I've got like a little, very nice. Right, we're in the section now of faux flowers. We've got loads of pots. These are actually kind of cute. Oh, I like this. This is actually quite nice, and it's only £4. Not sure where I'd put it. I'm thinking about the colour scheme in the house, but again, you've got your golden solar pots. These are all faux plants, all faux plastic. So yeah, let's go and find some real ones. I see green, but I'm wondering if they're all fake, which I think they are. They've got loads of fake plants in, which is kind of sad. Oh, here are the real ones. Okay, there's a fake, as you can see, fake, and fake. But these are the real deal, so let's start. We've got, what are these? They say succulents, but well, they are succulent-like. That's fake, but this is real. So your normal kind of types of flowers. We've got spider plants in little jars and ferns in little jars, which is kind of cute. They are, doesn't say, how much are they? I don't know. But maybe kind of cute-ish. Then you've got, they say spectaclum, but we know that's not. These are these Haworthias. So we're saying £1. We've got some succulents under here. Let's see if I can get the whole tray out. Yeah, look, there we go. And they go all the way back. So your aloe veras there, your Haworthias, that's what they're referring to. So that's £1. We don't know what these are. So you've got larger cacti as well. What's this? Yeah, this is real. Which is quite cute. Good size aloe vera, as you can see. And that is £9. And then Chamadoria elegans, 2. Another palms. Another palms there. And more succulents. That's really nice, that's healthy.
Oh, look, they look so much nicer because they're real. Oh my god, look at the blue.
We'll go the other way and come back. We've got allocations, which, this is a good one actually. We've got quite a few in here. There's 2, as you can see, 2 plants in there. So actually a decent plant. And then you've got the wars, which I'd never say the full name. Okay, so this is the wars. Those are the Calathea rattlesnakes, and these are the orbifolios. Now you can see the orbifolia leaves are actually a really good size. I was trying to find the price for you guys, but I couldn't find it. There was nowhere on the pots, which is a little frustrating. But you'll see with the Amazonica poly, I'm estimating they're about 20-25 due to the size, where usually smaller ones are about £15. So they are decent prices, and you can see we've got some peace lilies there as well. I was hoping there would be some Acer Palms in this corner, but there aren't. These plants look like they are for the outdoor. Good size. I was trying to find the price for them, again couldn't find them. They do look very prickly and are actually quite prickly, quite firm and quite sturdy. So they're not really plants for indoor, definitely for outside, sort of thing that you would use in the corner of your garden to frame it. But they are quite artistic in the way that they grow. So yeah, for anyone looking for that type of plant, then obviously great. You can see in the background we've also got some bonsai. We've got a few to open. Here we are, Jacola or yucca plants. Again, nothing has prices on them, so you don't know how much they are, which is really annoying. Okay, finally here we've got Jacola. So the yuccas are 25. Those we've got 125, which they're here actually. So that's alright. Cute, decent size. Got some more succulents here. And some small sphagnum. More aloe veras. So here we have some Sansevieria. With these, I was surprised. Usually you see like one that's been woven, but there's about 4 in this pot. So really good buy. And the actual name is Fernwood. Now you've got also succulents. This is actually in really good condition and really cute. I'm loving the variety of colors on here. They're just like a little hint, but it's actually in really good condition and quite pretty. Now finally realized prices are at the side. So you've got the Dracaena there, Sansevieria, and they're actually decent price. Now this, I'm not great with succulents, so I'm going to put that back and move on. It's fake. Someone needs that too. Got some bonsai. And some bonsai here, you can see. Generally, they are actually quite healthy. Got a few more annually peace lilies. We've got ivy, which they've got a lot of ivy. I actually like, from what I've seen in nature, the variegated ivy, but these are alright. Some more of the same. Here we've got huge cacti, which one of them has fallen down, so that's not great. That's them there. What else have we got in here? We've got some more succulents, which they're cute. I don't know if I can actually get it out. I think it's a mix of succulents, but as you can kind of see there. And then we've got Pachura aquatica, and that's 38. You can see these are huge. Like, I'm about here, so you can see actually it's actually quite big. This is how big they are. Just so you can see. I'm small. This is what it looks like. As you can see, they're in good condition. And some Dracaena through there. More bonsai. More pots. Peace lilies. Jars with Syngonium in, which is kind of cute. Oh, can I get it out? Yeah. Syngonium Pixie. We've got in there, which is cute, I guess. Help with the humidity. And they've just placed them in there. And then we've got these in there as well. And you've also got Palladium Pretties. A few of those. And more succulents. This is really weird. I've not seen this type before. And some here. Just
I like these.
cool. See succulents. So we got some monsteras over here. They actually look really healthy, nice deep green leaves. I didn't see any with any brown in whatsoever, so a good amount, and I'd assume fairly priced as well. More on this side, as usual. We'll have a little search to see if there's any variegation. There wasn't, but yeah, they all look really healthy, really nice. So more Acer Palms, corn palms. Well, nothing that I'm looking for in particular. Orchids, as everybody has. They're nice. More orchids over there. Pieces. That's actually quite cool. I don't know what this is. Very interesting. I guess that's what it is. So they don't have the range I thought they would have. I guess, you know, this might be their first thing since they've opened. I was hoping to see my palm, which they don't have, which is a little upsetting. So the search continues. Hey guys, so I have to admit I'm a little disappointed with what Ikea had. I actually thought they would have more of a range. I guess this is like their first stock since they've opened. I'm actually now going to go to B&Q because I've got a few things that I need to get and pick up, so maybe we'll have a little browse and see what they got there. So I got to B&Q and they pretty much had the same stock as I showed in my B&Q video, so I wasn't going to record that all over again just for you to see the same things. Just to note, in the next few videos I will do my propagation update and the update on the Mossverse Perlite with the El Choco. So for now, dare to dream, live to grow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.